In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name here in Clash of Clans. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But here's how you can change your name here in Clash of Clans. Begin by opening up the game and tapping on the settings icon just above the shop icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, you're going to see all these options that appear. Click on more settings at the very bottom. Now, if you scroll all the way up at the top, you're going to see a few different options. Right below delete account, there's going to be a change name option. Select it, and then you're going to get another option here. It's going to say that you only get one free name change, and then any name changes after that are going to cost gems. Simply go ahead and select continue, and from here enter in your new name. I'm going to go ahead and enter in this one just like so, hit continue after that, and you're going to be asked to re-enter it. So go ahead and do that and hit continue one more time. From here, you just have to go ahead and type in confirm in all caps and then hit OK, and your name change will be set in place. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more Clash of Clans videos just like this. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.